we get closer and closer to the holidays, please make sure that you are continuing to do your job each and every day. The month is December. Happy birthday, Joseph. I see that it is December 10th, which means it's your birthday. I hope you have a wonderful birthday today. I know that it's December 10th, 2020, so let's put it into word form. December 10th, 2020. I know that today is Thursday. I'm going to go out of order. That means tomorrow is Friday. If tomorrow is Friday and today is Thursday, then yesterday was Wednesday. Yesterday we had been at school 49 days. If I had one more, we have 10 in the ones place, which we know is not allowed. So it's time to get rid of those and add a new rod. Now I have 5 groups of 10 and 0 ones, which makes 50. Making 50 cents is fun and easy. It's 2 quarters. 25 and 25 makes 50 every time. Our words are way, good, called, there, new, being. Our number 71, look at your ones place. There's a 1. Is 1 an even number or an odd number? It is odd. Let's put it here and go backwards. 71, 70, 69, 68, 67, 66. All right, our number is 148. 148. Go to your hundreds place and take 100 away. Now all you're left with is 48. Go to your hundreds place and add another 100. Now you're at 248. Get our 2 numbers. 492 and 56. I know that 492 is greater than 56. Make sure you're getting all your work done and everything is turned in by Friday.